Hello, my name is David Bailey of Bailey Bee Supply. Tonight we're getting ready to install some packages. We're going to do two tonight. We're going to shake bees into this box. From this package, we've got the queens separate from the package. This time, if we didn't get them in the cage, we've already took the cork out. In the past, we've had rubber bands that we've told you to hold the queen cage on. We've had trouble with the bees chewing the queen cage.
The rubber band.
The rubber bands. It's been a long day. The bees chewing the rubber bands and the queens falling face down on the bottom board. They never get released and they died. So we've bought these plastic queen holders and they clip right on the frames.
And so you've taken the cork out of the candy end of the...
Yes, we already took the cork out of the candy end.
Okay.
So the bees will eat through the candy and let the queen out. It'll take about 3 days. You want to go in 3 days and make sure the queen's out. If not, you want to rip the screen off and let her, but you want to do it down here close to the hive so the queen don't fly away. So we're going to shake our bees down like you normally would.
Now
We're going to spray them with some sugar water. See how I'm doing that? Spraying them with sugar water, make them happy. I'm going to take my hive tool and pop the lid off. It covers the can of syrup. You still get a can of syrup this way. The first packages I ever got 12 years ago I received like this, where the queen was outside the cage. In the hive. Okay.
So you don't really have to worry about dropping the queen when you're trying to pull that out?
No, you don't have to worry about dropping the queen in the cage or reaching down in 12,000 bees to pull her out. So this is the can of syrup. We'll put that in a second. We've already put our queen in, so we're going to shake the bees. Okay, we'll put this in front of the hive in a second. I just got stung.
That sounds like fun.
Yep, got stung in the side of the head. We're gonna put the frames in. We'll come back in 3 days.
So it's about 7:30 at night and it's getting a little cool.
Yep. Getting a little cool. The bees have been shut up since Wednesday. I'm getting stung. So we got our syrup, we got our Miller feeder. This is old equipment that we've repainted. We're gonna put our gallon of sugar syrup in. We'll come back in 3 days. They'll probably have all this drunk up.
So you're gonna put your coat on for your next installation since we got one more to do?
No, the next one we're not gonna shake the bees, so it'll be real easy, so I won't put it on.
And then that
This is
feeder.
a ventilated inner cover, and the ventilated inner cover keeps any robber bees from drowning. And I'm gonna poke some holes in this, poke 1 or 2 in the top, and drain this corn syrup into the Miller feeder also. I got that stinger.
Did you get the stinger out?
Yeah, I got the stinger out.
It doesn't hurt long, huh?
It don't hurt long when you get stung. And there's a right way, a wrong way, and a David Bailey way. What can I say? I don't like wearing a jacket.
All right.
And so when this gets through draining, we'll put the plastic Bee Smart hive cover on and some rocks on top of it. And I think we got enough light that we can put the other package in. We're gonna put it in the hive and go back tomorrow and cut it off. Well, have a blessed day. and we will talk to you soon.
You gonna put a rock on the top of it?
Putting rocks on the top so the wind
Those-
don't blow off this plastic cover.
All right.
Yep, thanks. Come see us at the store.